Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Facebook page. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, you got to find your Facebook page. All right. Just find the three horizontal lines, tap on it. Now tap on this down arrow key to log into your specific Facebook page. All right. For example, maybe this one right here. Just tap on it, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead over again to the three horizontal lines. For Android, it will be on the top left, and for iOS, it will be at the bottom right. Okay, just tap on it. Now go to find settings and privacy. Right here, tap on it and tap on settings. Okay, now in here, just scroll down and find the section, your information. Okay, now tap on access and control. Now in here, as you can see, you can deactivate, unpublish, or delete the page. Select delete, hit on continue. Now in here, before you delete, choose a reason why you wanted to delete or why you wanted to opt out. Okay. Once done, just hit on continue. And then the next page, they will give you an option to download your information, transfer your information, or maybe save your post to your main account's archive. You can do that. Okay. Just hit on continue. Again, continue and continue. And after that, you'll be logged into your main Facebook account. And that is it. That's how you delete a Facebook page. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.